pieces have letters on them that say which piece is which. Some of them there's only one, some of them there's like 6 or 7. So you guys' job is to carry all the pieces around to the yard and stack them in a pile. Same pieces in a pile, okay? Everything goes around there.
Okay.
Don't break the plastic windows. Go!
Okay. Go.
And you should probably work together so the wind doesn't blow you away.
Do you want me to walk backwards?
Doesn't matter, just pull it that way and then grab the other piece.
So we installed the support beams for the roof in the wrong direction. There are notches in the back here. Those are supposed to be in the front, which allows the doors on the shed to move freely. So the directions don't say that, and we didn't realize until the very end when we got the doors on that we needed it notched out. So now Jean is notching the beams in the front. Sort of. So here it is, all notched out. Now the door can open and close the way it needs to. Thankfully, Jean is like MacGyver and knows how to do stuff like that, because otherwise we would have to take off all of the roof panels that we've already installed, which took a lot of time, turn the trusses around and start over. So I'm glad that we could just use the saw to notch that out. Much easier. So a few things about the shed now that we're done building that I think people should know. Some of the packages of screws and even some of the pieces of the shed itself were not labeled correctly. So, I mean, I didn't feel like it was super difficult to figure out what they were talking about. There were also some areas where the instructions were not specific enough. They count on you noticing the little details, like with the trusses of the roof, that there were notches on one side and not the other. And we didn't realize until, you know, we were installing the front, which is the very end of the assembly, that was important. So just be careful when you're looking at the pictures and make sure that everything is lining up according to the pictures, which really aren't all that great either. But overall, I would say it was pretty easy. Took us a couple hours for sure, but 2 of us did it. The kids helped carry some stuff and then disappeared in the house. So we did it by ourselves for the most part, and I would say it was pretty low stress and easy to do. So I think just about anybody could do it. One other note here, we did actually have to scrape out the grass from underneath the blocks that the shed is on in the front because the doors wouldn't close.